talks.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
I
you were telling me about how everything's a horse.
Oh yeah. So this
Is
came
Bogo a
to me.
horse?
Everything is a horse, Chris. See, this came to me in a like really sleep deprived, uh, night fueled insomnia trip at about 5 a.m. And I've just decided that in order to reclassify everything and anger all of the ecologists, I've decided that everything is derivative of a horse. So, for example, a camel is just a lumpy horse, a tiger is just a painful horse, walrus is a blubber horse, a crab is a sideways horse, a zebra is a barcode horse. A gazelle is a pogo horse. Humans are bipedal anxiety horses. I feel like that's quite accurate. A
Okay, yeah.
chihuahua is a tremble horse.
Yeah, I mean, I've called my cat Pico a horse a number of times, depending on how he stands, so I understand this.